Hi everybody, I want to take a minute and show you how to use the Latework form. So it is at the top of the Google Classroom, and I think I'm going to leave it there all year. But you can see the directions say, if you want me to grade an assignment that you're turning in late, please fill out this form. It is the only way I'll see an assignment that you do late. You only need to fill this out if you currently have a 0 for the assignment in SIS. If I grade it late and you do it before I grade it, you'll be fine. But if it's already a 0 in SIS, then you need to do this. So all you're going to do is open it up, follow the link, fill in your name. So if my name was Mickey Mouse, please put in your real name. Say your third period. Please name the assignment. Let's say it's the character report card you're turning in again or turning in late. And then this is the last step, copy and paste a link. So you would go up here and you would take your web address link here, do a Control-C to copy it, and come back in and paste it here. That way I have a direct link and I don't have to go searching for it, and that makes it much easier for me. And then you submit it. And that's all there is to it. Please, then you need to watch your SIS to make sure that I do put it in. I'll put it in as quickly as I can once I start checking this. Okay, let me know what questions you have. Thanks.